If you have forgotten your Snapchat password, or if you have any other issues with logging into your account, here's exactly how you can still get in, even if you have forgotten it or you're having some other issue. So let's start off with how you can do it easily on a web browser. First off, you want to go over to this website right here. Once you're there, you want to then add in either an email address or phone number associated with your account. Then once you've done that, simply just tap on Forgot Password and it will then send you a recovery code. This method works pretty much the same on the Snapchat app as well. All you have to do is just add in your email address or phone number, then once again tap on Forgot Password and it will again send you a recovery password to your email or phone number. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to do. But what about if you do have access to your Snapchat account, but you still want to reset your password? Well, here's exactly how you can do that. If you want to do it in a browser, you want to once again head over to this website right here. From there, you will see a reset password option, which you want to click on, and then you'll be able to set a brand new one. The way you do it on a phone app goes as follows. You want to tap on your profile icon in the top left, and from there, you want to head into your settings, which is the cogwheel icon. Then you want to tap on password and then enter your current password. And then you'll be given an option to set a brand new one. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to do on both the browser and app version. So hopefully now you know how to reset your password if you've forgotten it, or even if you're able to log into your account. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.